On Saturday the 2nd of September 2023, one of the Glenbrook Vintage Railway's two DBR class diesel locomotives hauled another popular excursion down the Kinleith branch. It wasn't DBR 1295, because she is not mainline certified. We only followed DBR 1254 from Matamata to Kinleith and back. Incidentally, Matamata is the only place on the Kinleith branch that still has an intact station building. Just like the time I rode behind a DBR 1254 on Anzac Day 2022, a couple of Hobbiton buses showed up to pick up some passengers from the excursion. From what I gather, the film sets are quite a popular tourist attraction, but I don't care for that sort of thing myself. The efforts to chase DBR 1254 on her way down the branch were infuriatingly unsuccessful, not helped by us lot getting held up by a sluggish Hobbiton bus, having to trudge through the main street of Tokoroa, and later a Fonterra truck that didn't turn off until Lichfield. Sometimes I find the hobby of chasing a train to be quite infuriating. To rub salt in the wound, there was a barrier and some people in high-vis vests blocking locals and visiting rail fans from getting too close to the track in Tokoroa. While I can sort of understand why they did that, it doesn't make a lot of sense, because that barrier was not in place on previous excursions, like the time JA 1271 paid a visit to Tokoroa in October 2022. I've discarded the footage I shot of DBR 1254 arriving in Tokoroa, because I wasn't at all satisfied with how it turned out. Instead, we cut to her leaving Kinleith after being turned around on the triangle. We had much better luck chasing DBR 1254 on her way back up the Kinleith branch, and this is her crossing Vosper's Road. For the departure shot, I tried to get a similar angle to the one I got in April 2022. After her stop in Matamata, the DBR continued back to her home railway.